Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Roblox profile picture. First, open the Roblox application on your device. Once inside, navigate directly to the avatar editor. Here, you can begin by selecting a background. You have the option to choose a solid color or even a pre-designed image to set the perfect scene for your avatar. This initial step is crucial for establishing the overall aesthetic of your new profile picture, giving it a unique and personalized touch right from the start. Next, dive into customizing your avatar. This is where your creativity truly shines. Select from a vast array of body parts, clothing, and accessories to craft your ideal look. Don't forget to adjust your avatar's pose and expression to convey the perfect mood or personality. Experiment with different outfits and styles, mixing and matching items until you achieve a look that is uniquely yours. There are thousands of combinations, so take your time and have fun with it. Now, let's focus on posing and framing your avatar for that perfect shot. Carefully position your avatar to capture its best angle, ensuring all your chosen details are visible. You can zoom in or out to frame your profile picture effectively, aiming for a clear and balanced composition. Pay attention to lighting. Good lighting makes your image vibrant and professional. Think about how the avatar fills the frame, perhaps leaving a small amount of space around the edges for a clean look. Finally, it's time to save and upload your masterpiece. Once you are happy with your avatar's pose and framing, take a screenshot of the image. After capturing, you will need to crop the image to a square aspect ratio, typically 1:1, for optimal display as a profile picture. Then, simply navigate to your Roblox account settings and upload your brand new, custom-made profile picture. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few moments to complete, showcasing your unique style to everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.